Imagine a classroom where children learn English naturally, almost as if they were playing. Where every activity is designed to arouse their curiosity, motivate them to explore, and help them develop self-confidence. This is exactly what the Montessori method proposed when applied to teaching English as a foreign language. The Montessori method, created by Maria Montessori, is based on a fundamental principle. Children are the protagonists of their learning. In this approach, the prepared environment, the teaching materials, and the teacher's role as a guide are key elements in fostering autonomy, critical thinking, and self-exploration. But how does this work for learning English? In a Montessori school in Nuevo León, this approach is used to teach English to children between the ages of 1 and 5. In the 1 to 3 years old groups, activities include songs, games, and moments in the garden, where children interact with the language in an organic way. In the 3 to 5 years old groups, more complex dynamics are introduced, such as collaborative presentations and thematic games in English, always respecting the pace and needs of each child. Teachers point out that this method not only allows to them to learn vocabulary or grammatical structures, but also to develop skills such as autonomy and confidence in their abilities. In addition, the use of didactic materials such as flashcards, songs, and hand-on activities creates a meaningful experience that help them retain what they have learned. This is critical for children who are beginning to explore in a second language. However, implementing the Montessori method is not without its changes. On the one hand, teachers need a specialized training and time to prepare appropriate materials. On the other, some beginners way require a more structured approach at the beginning to avoid confusion. In addition, the high cost of the Montessori resources make it difficult to adopt in institutions with a limited budget. Despite these changes, research that shows that the Montessori method is effective in improving English language learning. Its personalized approach always each student to progress in his or her own pace, avoiding the limitations and traditional methods which often do not consider individual differences. In a world where English is increasingly essential, the Montessori method offers an innovative and human way to teaching English from early age. With adjustments in materials, assessment tools, and hybrid strategies, this approach can transform English language teaching into a meaningful and accessible process for more children. Because learning English is not only an academic goal, but an opportunity to open new doors and shape global citizens from early childhood.